Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some affordable bridesmaids boxes. This one is finished already, and I will also be going through the pricing with you, how much I spent, where I got the items from, and hopefully you'll want to do one for yourself too. I did not post, but I did get engaged. See? Finally. And now I'm working on getting my bridesmaids boxes done. So today, that's what I'm going to be showing you. Here's the box here. This one is a finished box. These are not finished behind me. But what I'm going to do is first, I'm going to show you what this one looks like, the inside looks like. And then I'll show you the products used, how much I spent, give you all the ins and outs, and list also where I got these products from. So stay tuned if you're interested and want to know how to make a bridal box. I don't know what happened there, but as you go into the inside of the box, this is what you see. Ooh. And let me show you. Got a little flower in here. A candle, and these candles, well, this one is eucalyptus and aloe scented candle, and it smells so good. Smells so good. This is a little bath bomb that I wrapped up. I'll show you how to do that later. This is a Bodycology Beautiful Blossoms. It's a fragrance mist, and this also smells really good. Not gonna spray it though. Then I have this nice sized wine glass, and I stuffed it with some tissue paper. I was trying to find some pink candy, so this is what I came up with: some extra gum and some Mentos. And then, last but not least, they have their little wine bottles. Well, you know, Barefoot. This is white Zinfandel. It tastes good. I'm going to have my fiance customize, well, personalize their names on this part of the bottle. And then that will be a finished box. So yeah, I got a lot of stuff in here, and I really like how it turned out. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to show you are these tissue bags. So I have gold in here because I'm also going to be doing the groomsmen's, but that's another video. So, all right. So we just have these pink ones right here. Of course, you can get these from the dollar store, Dollar General, Walmart. I believe I got these from Walmart. Same price. So it was like $1 or something. And then I got this tool. This is also from Walmart. This is about $3. Don't quote me on that one, but I will list all of the pricing information below and where I got these items from. But yes, I have these to wrap the bath bombs in. Got some more ribbon. This is also to wrap up the bath bombs after I put it in the tool. Also from Walmart. And then I got all these little crinkle shreds, Dollar General, $1. And I bought about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have like 6 packs. I don't think I'm gonna need them all, but we'll see. I also wanted to put some more color as well. So I got these pink. These two I got from Target, $1.37, something like that, 75. This color, I just wanted different colors, shredded paper in each as well, foil shreds. These also are from Walmart. They only have like 2 packs left, but I literally only bought 2 packs of these, 2 packs of those, and 2 of the pinks. And then I have a bunch, like I said, of the white, just to fill up the bottom of it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix it all in, so that it makes this really pretty color. I'll show you later, but whatever. Okay, so these are the bath bombs that I also got from Walmart. Bodycology. It was like $5 for this whole bag, and it comes with a pack of 8 bath fizzles, and they smell really good. Okay, I also got 1 bunch of flowers from Walmart. This was about $3. And what I do is just pluck one off just so they can have flowers in. I'm not using the purple or the greenery or anything like that. Just one little flower. I don't know if I mentioned them already, but this one is eucalyptus and aloe. This one is a white cashmere. I think I only bought those 2 colors because I wanted just pinks and whites and gold, of course. But I have 7 bridesmaids. So, but one is my little sister, and she's not old enough to drink yet, so she's just gonna get a little cute box later. But so 6 I'm really making. Like I said, my fiance is going to personalize the wine bottles. So I do want their names in gold, and I'm also gonna put their names in gold on the robes when I order those. Next, like I said, I wanted pink candies, so I got the Mentos here and the gum, just because they were pink. That was from Dollar Store. And then I had to get 2 of these. But these are the white Zinfandel, barefoot, but again. Liquor store, and it literally came up to $14 for both of these. And then, I also bought a bunch different kinds of these, and this is Bodycology from Walmart. It goes with the bath bombs, but this one is sweet apple cider, dark cherry orchid, toasted sugar, and then I have beautiful blossoms, and then that was all the flavors, the scents that they had, so I had to get 2 of one of them. But the girls won't see each other's boxes anyway. Literally like $5 a piece, and they're by the brand Libby, and 4 come in each box. So this is what they look like, and they're so pretty. They all say different things. I tried to get different designs of each, but they're so pretty. All right, I'm not gonna pull them all, but they're so pretty. And even afterwards, they can keep these boxes and use them for whatever they want. So, but there are ways that you can spend only $50 on this. And also, we have 7 bridesmaids, which if you had like 2 or 3, you wouldn't spend as much. So, but stay tuned. I'll start making the boxes. So cheesy. Is show you how I wrapped up the bath bombs. So, and they smell so good. I can't stop smelling them, but those smell good. So I'm gonna take my tool, take 1 bath bomb. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here. I just take it, it's already individually wrapped, but I just take it in the tool, measure it out by bending it over, just to see how much I might need. And I like a little bit of it to stick out so it can be frilly. So I go a little bit over, just like that, just as if I was putting in 2 bath bombs, but I'm only using 1. Take my handy-dandy scissors and just cut it straight up. Like I mentioned before, I'm a lefty, so it takes me a little minute. All right, so now I have it in here. And I'm bunching up. Like bloopers on these YouTube videos. All right, but what I'm gonna do, once again, is bunch it up. Like as if it was a lollipop on a stick. And I should have cut my ribbon already, but like I said, I have my gold ribbon. And what I'm gonna do is make sure it's enough so that I can make a bow at the end. So I'm gonna take it right here. And you can just eyeball it. It doesn't have to be a perfect measurement and all that, because you can always cut it if it's too long. I'm gonna take it right there. I'm gonna try to cut with my right. Let's see. Okay, I did it. And you might need a little bit of practice for this, for the first few times, but make sure that both sides are even. And you're gonna do a little knot. Y'all know how to do a bow, hopefully, but with one hand, it's kind of difficult. So you take it, pull it as tight as it can go. Like that. See how one side is longer than the other? It doesn't matter because I could just cut it at the end. And then I'm gonna make my little bow. And make it tight. Pull the little shrivels down a little bit. Those are my kids. Like that. And what you want to do is you want to even them out. Try them with the right hand again. All right. And there's my little cute bath bomb ribbon tool thingy. All right, so hopefully I don't have any more distractions, but I'm gonna start with the first box. This one says worry less, smile more. Simple box. Let me take out these things. I'm gonna start off with my white crinkle paper. There we go. So I'm gonna use this whole bag. And how many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just fluff it around, separate it a little bit. Then I'm going to take some of my pink. That one is open. It's just so pretty. And some gold. So look at it right now, and now I'm going to mix it all together. Mix the colors in, making a mess, making a little mess. So this is how I have it. I'm going to open this box up just so I can keep the same type of design inside each box. I'm going to take my flower arrangements, and like I said, you can just pluck these off. Some are easier than others to pluck off though. All right, there. Fluff it out a little bit so that it's all pretty, and stick that in the corner or wherever you want to place it. The tissue paper open, I'm going to reuse that. I think I'll only use pink. Like I said, use whatever colors you want. I'm gonna take about 2 of them right now. Shove it in there. Let it spill out. And I'm tucking that actually behind the flower. Okay, next I'm gonna take another one of these fragrance mist. I'm gonna sit that in there. Another candle. Sit that in the side here. My bath bomb. And I have that like sitting next to the candle. Can you plug that back in? Hold on, guys. Sorry, my child messing stuff up. Another one of my wine bottles on the side. And then my candy, if I can find it. One of each.
Hello.
The light is not on. I'll tuck those in. And this box is all good to go.
I can see her.
See? It's so pretty. I love these boxes. I should have made one for myself, but I'm not going to do all that. And then you just close it up. And that's done.